The next command I am going to teach you is block and rotate copy. Block and rotate copy. This command, if you click this command, and pop-up will come like this, a template. And first is option is block copy, that if you have similar items, like now I have a drawing star here, then create. So for this object, if you want multiple of these object in a linear fashion, like a block copy, what we will do is that we will decide the distance as offset, or distance or gaps. If you want to give the offset distance, or you can adopt a distance as a gap. So I am the first time giving distance as a gap, that is the, if 5 mm is the gap between 5 mm is the gap between in the x direction, and 10 mm is in the y direction. If the gap, how it will be, like that we will see. And how many I want in the x and y, like that. I want to say same only in x and y. For then I will just apply it. You can see there is 4 in the row and 4 in the column, and the gap in between them is, in y the gap is more, the 10 mm, and in the x direction the gap is less, 5 mm. We can change it also. Now I am giving both 1 apply. So control Z, I didn't do the control Z. Okay, now 1, the gap is less, okay, 1 mm 1 mm, like that. So this is the rectangular, this is the gap, that is from the ending point of the star to this starting point of the second star. This is the gap. If offset means that is from the center point to the center point, like that. Okay, what is the distance from the center point of the star to the center point of the star, like that. Or what is the distance between the this point to the same point of the next star. Better you take it is the center point of one star to the center point of the other star. What is the distance? So you can if you know that, then you can give this one. Sorry, if you know that, you can give that one, or you can give the gap. Okay, this is known as block copy. In some in AutoCAD and all, it is known as array command. In that you can rectangular array and you have circular array, and here is the rectangular array, like that. This is the block copy, we call it here. Okay, so next one is hope that you understood this. We will go to the next one. Control is that we have 1 star, and we want to make a rotate copy, that is the circular array. Okay, for this, what all options are available? You can take a center point of the array, like I am to center to this point, this star will be arrayed in a circular fashion. So I can give that value here, or I can just click the point. Okay, this I have taken as the I have taken this as the center point. Okay, or I can select a point. I can go here and then select any point. Okay, this is the point I want to around this point the object will be arranged. Okay, this one, and now we have to decide. Okay, total 360 degree we want to array it. In that, how many object you want? Here 50 is there, changing the number of objects to 8. Then I just apply. So if okay, what happened? 360 degree, total 360 degree, 8 objects. So I didn't select the object. I selected this object. Then I selected this object. Then apply. So 8 objects in a circular in 360 degree. Okay, we have another incremental type. Like that incremental type, we are giving only the distance between the angle between two objects. Now if I take 20 degrees the angle between the two objects, then every 20 degree the star will be formed. Every 20 degree the stars will be formed. Okay, so this is the rotate copy. If we just increase this value every 30 degree, up to 8 numbers it will be forming. Okay, that is incremental. Total means to what angle you want to make it. Like if I want to make this rotation only is once 180 degree, I can give 180 degree, half the circle only, the 8 object will be created for the 180 degree. From here to as a center to this, it will rotate like this. Okay, hope that you understood that. Just deleting, and I will go to the next command. Next now I am going to teach you is that paste along a curve. So for that first we must have a curve. So like this one curve, I will make a smooth one here. Draw smooth polygon. Okay, I didn't get it so smooth. I will make a smooth one. Now it's looking smooth. Okay, then we must have one more objects to paste along it. Again I am creating one small star, create it, and this star we will be arraying along this curve. So for that, this command paste along curve command we will click. So this is the pop-up menu has come here. This is the template in which how many copies you want to specify, the number you can specify. So first you have to select the object. This is the object. Then this is first you select the object, then select the curve, and how many numbers you want, like 10 numbers means 10, then apply, paste. So 10 copies will be formed. If you know the distance between, you can give the distance also. If you know that, you can do that. Then it will ask for the distance, what is the distance between sender to sender of this. If you know that, you can array it like that also. Okay,